Hey guys, this is going to be 9.2. The second transformation that we are going to talk about is going to be your translations. And this will be a review from your 8th grade year, most likely. The first thing we're going to talk about, this first video should be pretty short, is just discussing what happens with the X and the Y and what directions they're moving according to certain words that may be given to you. The first thing we're going to do here is I will be using separate colors. Because you guys will notice I am Miss Collins. I am very colorful. You do not have to use different colors if you do not want to. The first thing we're going to talk about is your X and your Y coordinates. So you have your X and your Y coordinates that go in this order, as we should know. And what ends up happening is with translation, I have my X in purple, so I'm going to use this again. Your X, when you're translating, is going to wind up being your horizontal shift. Okay, it's going to be a horizontal shift, meaning it's going to be going left and right. So if you're given instructions to translate a figure to the right a certain number of spaces, your right is going to tell you what we're going to actually be doing is adding to that X coordinate. So if I tell you to, go right 5, you'd be adding 5. And this will all kind of go together once you see all 3 videos. If you are instructed to go left, well, right's the opposite, left is the opposite of right, so the opposite of adding is going to be subtract. Okay? So then with your Y coordinate, there are a couple things that you might be told. With your Y coordinates, this is going to end up being the opposite of a horizontal shift. You're going to have your vertical shift. So this is your up and down. So it will tell you to go up or down. So if you are told to move the figure up, this will be adding. Think of it as you move up on the Y-axis, you're going towards the positives. And going down, you will subtract. You're going towards the negatives. Okay, so that's the first video and you guys will now have a question to answer.